welcome back to my channel. So we jump in straight into this video. I'm gonna first prime my eyes with the Makeup Revolution concealer. I usually use my Girl Pro, but I ran out and I somehow forgot I had this one, so that's what we're using. And after that, I'm going to be setting my eyes with any kind of setting powder just to keep the concealer in place. So I did one eye off camera because I just wanted to try it out first before I film it, and I love it. So we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Volume 2 palette, and I'm going in with this reddish cranberry shade right here. And I'm just going to pop that right into my crease, and I'm going to really pack that on first before I start blending it out because I really want that color to really be super pigmented. Now I'm going to go in with 3 shades. I don't know the names of them because I don't have the palette in front of me right now. So I'm going to go in with 3 shades to get the perfect orange tan shade that I was looking for. I'm going to just basically diffuse the edges of the cranberry shade I just applied. This will make everything look ombre effect. It will make everything look seamless. So I'm just basically going around the edges without messing up the pigmentation of the cranberry shade. So here I'm just cutting my crease, of course, and I just want to give you guys a tip. I really kind of had a hard time because this cranberry shade was super pigmented, and it was actually turning the concealer like a pinkish color. So FYI, sometimes when you cut your crease, you can actually cut your crease by wiping off excess shadow, then applying your concealer. But I will probably do a video on that. If you want a video on that, please let me know in the description box. But yeah, I also have a cut a crease video on my channel. I will link that as well. If you're having trouble cutting your crease, I got you, sis. Now I'm done cutting the crease. I'm just setting my lid with a setting powder. I'm setting it because I don't want any creasing whatsoever. I had to learn this. I used to not set my concealer because I was using a shimmer shade, but I think you should set it by any means necessary because it could crease at any time, especially if you had slightly hooded eyes. So I'm going in with this reddish pinkish cranberry shade that I'm going to be putting on my lid. I'm not only putting this, I'm going to put a glitter on top. This is going to be basically my base. With glitter or any type of pigment, I suggest that you put something similar to that glitter or pigment under it first as a base. Okay, so we're going to be going in with the NYX glitter glue. This is definitely a must when using with any type of glitter or pigment. It just helps it stick better, and it helps all the glitter stick everywhere you want it to be. So I definitely recommend this. So I'll be going in with this NYX glitter right here. I don't know the shade, but everything I will be using in this video will be linked in the description box. So check the description box if you decide to purchase this glitter. I have like 15 of their glitters. Like, I just love their glitters. I'm just gonna basically apply this to my eyelid, of course. So now I'm going to be going in with this shade. I'm going to just basically just blend out everything. I want everything to look together, come together. I don't want no harsh lines. I'm just going to blow out, make it look a little bit more smoky, and we're done with the eyes. So we are moving on to the face, and I love my Hydro Grip primer. Like, this is the SHIT. If you want your foundation to stick, honey, to stay in place, this is the primer for you. So I'm gonna just rub this all over my face. So I'm using my e.l.f.'s Putty poreless primer. Like, this is my favorite primer, and I think everybody should get it. It's only $8. Like, pores no more. Okay, so I'm going in with my favorite foundation at the moment, which is the Milani Screen Queen foundation. This foundation is fire. It's super awesome, especially for the summertime. I've worn it almost all summer, so yeah, y'all should go out and get this foundation. It's fire. I will have my shade in the bottom bar, and I will link the video of my first impressions. So I'm going in with two concealers today. I'm going in with the Loreal Full Coverage, and I'm going in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Camo Concealer. The Camo one is the lighter shade, and I'm just putting it under my eye just a little bit. I want to be bright under my eye, but not too bright under my eye. So that's why I'm using two concealers today. And then I'm going to be setting this with my e.l.f. Halo Powder. So now I'll be going in with the Itsmyrayeraye's first palette. She has eyeshadows, highlighters, and contour. So I'll be using that contour shade today. I always use my black radiance, and I just want to, like, you know, use other things that I have. So I decided to bring out the Itsmyrayeraye OG palette. I will be setting with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder. I love this powder. As you guys know, if you've been watching me for a long time, I've been using my Makeup Forever powder for a very long time. This has been my second best so far. I will link my almost all NYX product video in the description box and have a pop-up in the card so y'all can check that out. So I'm going to be bronzing with my Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty. I love this bronzer. I don't even think I own any bronzers. I may have owned one bronzer in my life, which was from e.l.f., and I don't know what happened to that bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer in the universe, and I just love it so much. Now it is highlight time, honey. I love me a freaking highlight. I love a glow. Now we're going in with the Itsmyrayeraye Raydient highlighter. This highlighter is bomb AF. Like, honestly, like, this highlighter should be able to be purchased by itself, honestly speaking. So highlighting is like chips. You can never just use one. Now, I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome. I love packing on highlighters because sometimes highlight leave your face, sometimes just like blush does. So I just love to glow all freaking day. I usually use a liquid highlighter under it, but I didn't feel like taking the liquid out, blending it out, all that good stuff. I was being a little lazy, so I was like, let's just pack on some highlighters. Okay, if you don't know me by now, y'all know I love to smoke my bottom lash line. I'm just going to be using the same shades that I used in my crease. So we're going to just blend all of that out and make it super smoky. So we're going in with some blush. I'm going to use the Shayla Times ColourPop Under Construction blush. This is fire. It also has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it makes it look super glowy, and I love this blush so freaking much. It's time for lips, so I'm going in with my NYX pencil in the shade Espresso. As you guys know, I love my chestnut, but chestnut is like half an inch long, and we gotta get a new one. So this has been my dupe for the chestnut lip liner. So yeah, we're gonna just get some lips on. I'm gonna be using my Shayla Times ColourPop lipstick in the shade Slow Down, and then I'm gonna be using her lip gloss in the shade Drippin'. So you guys have made to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, follow me on social medias. Everything you need to know will be in the description box. I see you guys in my next one. Laters.